Most real estate agent landing pages are losing leads before they even load. They're too slow, they're too cluttered, they're too vague, or they're not mobile friendly. And sellers click away before they even read a word. And the worst part is that you don't even realize it's happening. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the biggest mistakes that I see agents making over and over again with their landing pages. These are the mistakes that make your funnel totally useless even if your offer is amazing. So let's go fix them. Mistake number 1, there is too much going on. Let's start with the layout. Most agents treat a landing page like a mini version of their website. It's got links, it's got the menu bar, they might have testimonials or a video tour. It's just too much. Now, it feels safe, like you're giving people options, but that's exactly the problem. When someone clicks through to a landing page, you have about 3 seconds to grab their attention. We don't want to give them options. If there's even one distraction, like a navigation bar at the top or a button that says learn more, you've lost them. So what works instead? One clear headline. One clear subheadline, a little description of what it is you're going to deliver when they opt in. Maybe a photo of what the thing is that you're going to deliver and a form for them to opt in. You could even put a video of you on this page of you telling them what it is you're going to deliver and why it's so important, but that's it. The goal is not to impress them. It's to get the right person to say, yes, I want that thing. And the simpler it is, the better it converts. Mistake number 2 is a weak or vague headline. So here's where a lot of people are losing the lead, but they don't even know it. The ultimate home seller's guide, that is extremely vague. They don't want a guide. They're not looking for an ebook that they can read in their spare time. They're looking for the solution to a very specific problem. So your headline needs to tell them what the guide will help them do. So let me give you a couple of examples. If you are a seller and it is a slow market, maybe the title could be 7 ways to sell your home fast without having to do a price reduction. If you're trying to get downsizing sellers, it could be something like how to declutter your home and get rid of all your stuff without overwhelm. In fact, Peggy, one of my coaching students, did this brilliantly. She made a landing page with her offer, how to declutter when you want to keep all of your stuff. And then she made a YouTube video and drove traffic to that page. She got something like 20 downloads in the first 2 weeks. This works beautifully when you think of one person with one problem, not a vague headline like "Get my seller's guide." Your headline needs to promise a payoff. Even better, use the same language that your past clients are using. You can pull it right from DMs, text messages, emails. When you are using the exact words that they are saying themselves, that's what gets people not only to click, but to fill out that form. Mistake number 3 is brutal, and that one is making it all about you. So if your landing page looks like this, like your headshot, a big long bio all about you and how big your logo is at the top of the page, that doesn't build trust. It makes people bounce. Because when someone clicks on a landing page, they don't care about you and your brokerage. They don't care about your awards. They definitely don't want to read a story about why you went into real estate. They don't care about all that stuff. The only thing they care about is, can this help me? What's in it for me? But if the page screams, look at me, I'm a realtor, before it gives them their guide that they want, it feels like a sales pitch and it automatically triggers skepticism. So dial it back. Put anything on there that is legally required to be there, but does it need to be all of this? No. Does it have to be a full color logo, or could it be the black and white logo? Does it have to be giant right in the middle, or can it be smaller off to the side? It's still there. You're still compliant. It's just a little bit more subtle. Skip the About Me section altogether. Let the offer speak for itself. After they opt in, now you can build the relationship. But on this page, we need a lot less ego and a lot more value. Now, if you're not sure how to put this all together, in the next video, I'm going to show you the exact funnel that I built when I was new in town and had no business whatsoever. And it was bringing me around 500 leads every single year on autopilot. So watch that video next.